Priyadarshini. Welcome to Cryo. I'm Asta.
Yeah, I'm Priyadarshini.
Yeah. So, how was your overall experience here in Walk-in Cryo?
Yeah, like I used to do like more learnings like daily. I used to learn more. So my career started with Infosys. So I worked as a senior process executive. So there we use some technical skills, but still it's a completely different part. So I just wanted to explore new things and complete IT, and I don't want to be in that role. So I started my career in testing. So I got into Capgemini. Currently I'm working as a in Capgemini as a senior analyst. So here I have about 2 years of experience, but still I just wanted to get some product based or some startup so that I can learn from scratch, so I can get more knowledge and deeper into testing part. So I work as both manual and in automation. So still I just wanted to explore more frameworks and some real-time projects. So that is the reason for joining Cryo.
So I'm very curious to know how you were able to manage your work, Cryo assignments and some free time for yourself as well. How you were able to do that?
Free time in the sense maybe in the weekends, but still I used to cover all the tasks in weekends only, because my shift timing is from 12 p.m. to night 9:30. It might extend according to the works we have. So still I used to commit with morning times, maybe like 10 around. And I used to attend sessions about 7 p.m. in the evening. So if I don't have any meetings, I used to attend. If I have meetings in office works, and I used to watch the recordings in weekends whenever I'm having time.
That's great. So what would you like to share with the fellow Cryo people who would be in the referral pool soon?
So they have to, not only attending session is not enough, they have to prepare on their own, and we have some website like LeetCode and other things, so they have to practice daily. But I'm not doing it. However, I used to do weekly like that, but still I just want them to do so that we can able to crack everything. And in other institutes they will be supporting with answers, but in Cryo just they want us to answer well, so that is the motive. So it is very helpful, because without knowing or by getting some help, we cannot go and work with the company, right? We have to gain some experience and knowledge.
Yeah. So if I ask you like about your overall experience of Cryo, including curriculum, support and the platform.
Yeah, I think I have decided correct by choosing Cryo, because before that like I don't know, I used to get some weird questions because I don't know the answer. So when I got into Cryo, then only I got to know, okay, these questions will be asked in interviews, and okay, this like the type they might ask that occurs in my mind. So that was really helpful for me.
So we are very much hopeful for you. Hope you get the best out of it.
Yeah,
thank you so much for coming here.
You.
Thank you so much.